Hey guys, over here, and today, well, I guess not today, but happy Thanksgiving. But anyway, just doing a little update on '07 Sierra Classic. I've been working on, as you can see, swapped out the radio for a 6-disc CD changer radio. Had to put all new buttons in it and everything else. Looks real fancy, and I also, while I was there, hopefully you can see this. There you go. You can see it's got. I also converted it to LED, so that looks real good. So it only, as you can see, it's working until I roll the key all the way forward. Yep, there we go. Now it's locked. Yep, it's kind of weird that way, but you see it worked there for a second until I went to roll the key, then it locks. It's kind of weird. Not really sure what's up with that, but it is what it is. I also changed these out to LED. They look a little different. As you can see, they do look. Here, I'm trying to get it just. There we go. Yeah, you can see these look a little different color, but there's nothing I can really do about that. They're both the same style, white bulb. I also changed out the headlight switch to a nice white bulb. So now the only thing is the gauge cluster. Looks kind of yellow compared to this stuff. So I need to get all that figured out. So I gotta replace those bulbs one of these days, but I'll probably do that this spring, work on the gauge cluster. But I think this looks real good. I think because this bulb was burned out originally, and I decided instead of just replacing the one bulb, I'll replace them all. So did that. I don't know. I'm just really happy how it turned out. Really happy. Looks really good. So like I said, now all I have to do is replace the gauge cluster bulbs. Pull this off. Yeah, that's my little update on it. I started ordering things to get paint matched. I got the paint matched ready door handles, tailgate handle, and bezel, and I got the rear bumper. I just got to order all the stuff. Now I just got to order the front bumper, and then I can save up a little bit longer and then get everything paint matched, and then everything's going to be red. There's actually going to be 0 chrome on this when I'm done. I decided the top of the bumper, that chrome on the top. I'll show you. It's kind of a pain to get in and out. That's why I kind of started the video in the pickup. But I decided grill's going to be red, this is going to be red, this is going to be red. It's all going to be red. I saw a picture online where that was all red. It looked really, really good, so I decided I might as well full commit, go full chrome delete. Oh yeah, I got to also order new mirrors with paint match ready for that, so I can get them paint matched red as well. But yeah, that's just a little update on this. I did get my LED DRLs installed. Can't really show them though. I don't have a flashlight because I could shine a flashlight on a little sensor, then they'll turn on. But I don't have a flashlight with me, so yeah, that's my little update on the radio. I have to take it to the dealership this spring to get the radio flashed, which kind of sucks. Because for a while, like as you've seen when I just turned on the pickup, because I just reconnected the battery, that the radio turned on and was working. But as soon as you roll the key all the way over, like you go to start it, then it locks. I was really hoping that maybe I got lucky and it would just work, but no. But yeah, that's my little update. So yeah, again, I just one less step from work truck, because I had that stock work truck radio, had like 5 buttons on it total, and you put this in there, it just less work truck. As you clearly see, I am going for I want to call it a sport truck, a sport truck with a V6, so not that sporty, but because I was thinking, well, Chevrolet had the Silverado SS, badass pickup. It's like, well, what if GMC made something not to compete with that, so to speak, but still have their own sport truck? And so I was thinking, what about like a Sierra Sport? It would be like a V6. It'd be cool if it's like a turbo V6, like the Cyclone. That'd be really cool. But that's not going to happen. But I was thinking, it's kind of like, I'm basically building a what if GMC made a V6 sport truck to kind of complement the Silverado SS. Oh, you can't afford the Silverado SS, but you still want something that looks kind of sporty. Have you thought about the Sierra Sport? That's kind of what I'm going for. As you can see, I gotta get these. When I get these converted to leather, I think that'll really tie the interior real nice. And that'll basically be the interior done. Besides, I would love to go to power doors, but that's probably not gonna happen. It'd be cool, but it's not gonna happen. But yeah, anyway, I'm just kind of rambling now. But yeah, that's my little update on this. As for my Tahoe, I'm not gonna show you because I can just explain it. But my Tahoe, I had an auto start installed. Well, I removed all that, gutted it, and then I found out that it's actually supposed to have a factory keyless entry. So I got that back now. So I gained a feature. So I'm pretty happy about that. So, but yeah, it's probably, I think I said the last video is gonna be the last video on this, but I think this is probably gonna be the last video on this for at least quite a while. Can't really. I took all this stuff out and did it in the garage, and I just put it back in. So the pickup didn't really need to be out. I didn't really need the pickup be out. So if I could find other things like that, I can work on it like that, then maybe. But otherwise, there's nothing I can really think of right now. But yeah, that's basically it. Show you one more time. They look really good. Just nice, clean white LEDs. Focus! Or don't focus. That's fine. Yeah, you don't need to focus. It has a real hard... There we go. Well, I focused for a second. There we go. That looks really good, I think. And then those controls complement. Like I said, it looks like... This almost looks a little brighter. My dimmer switches up all the way. On video, the bottom switches look brighter, like a brighter light. But person, yeah, it does. I'll give it... It does look a little brighter, but I think there's nothing I can do about that. Because these buttons are actually supposed to light up a slight blue, and then the white LEDs are just kind of overpowering the blue a little bit. So, yeah, I think it looks good. I wish, if you're wondering why these don't light up, actually, they don't. From the factory, there is no bulb or anything there for them to light up. I suppose someone could, modify, jump a bulb over and get that to light up, but from the factory, these buttons do not light up, so there's your little tidbit. But yeah, these heater controls look real good. No more burnt out bulbs. The only bulbs I have to worry about burning out is the gauge cluster, which, like I said, this spring I kind of plan on doing that. Reason I'm gonna wait till spring is because it's a lot easier to get in and out the passenger driver's side than it is to crawl through the passenger side into the driver's seat. So that I want to, you got to pull out, disassemble, put the LEDs, set it back in, test them. It'd just be easier to do it in the spring. But yeah, I'm just rambling, making this video longer for no reason. So I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. Bye.